Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future. Now, you're probably wondering, where the hell have I been for like the past 2 years? Where the hell have I been? And it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride, okay? And look, I've just had a cannula taken out of me, just come back from the hospital, but I'll explain everything. So basically what's happened for the last 2 years is I went off the grid. The reason being, I got this really nice, lucrative, juicy contract for work. And I sold myself out, stopped the YouTube, went away, worked solidly for 2 whole years, just working my bollocks off. And the contract's come to an end. I made financially I'm better off because of it, and hopefully with the money I made I can go and do other things, but it meant that I had to stop the YouTube because I was literally working every damn day for 2 years straight, no breaks, just solid 2 years working and grinding. And in the end of the day, YouTube is a hobby. And I'm very privileged to be able to have a YouTube channel, and I'm very privileged for the viewers that I have and the subscribers that I have. And also, as I came to the end of this contract, I had a bout of illness, and I've just had a CT scan today. And I'm sure everything's fine. I went to a urologist as well, and I don't know if you've ever been to one, but that's quite a bit, that can sting. But I think I'm pretty healthy, but we'll just have to see what the doctors say. They've had a good look inside me, and they can't find anything yet, but I've got to wait 2 weeks. I'm going to get my bloods checked and everything. And hopefully everything will come back clear. I'll keep you updated, but listen, I'm back on the grid, and that's the most important thing, and I miss everybody so much. And hopefully I'll be posting again, but I've had a deep think about YouTube. And to be honest, I'm not concerned about the money or anything else that I'll be making from YouTube. I'm just going to be doing it at my own pace and for the love of it. And, and hopefully you'll be able to join me back again in my company and, spend some time with me, and so I can share my journey with you. I've got lots and lots of interesting things that I'd like to share with you. And, what more can I say? I miss you guys so much. That's why I'm back, and I want to carry on doing YouTube videos. But I'm not concerned at all about the financial aspects, because I think that when you start overly thinking about trying to be successful on YouTube and so forth, it can affect your mental health. So I've said to myself, screw it, I'm just going to post, and if people want to watch, they want to watch, and if they don't want to watch, but that's up to them. I'm just going to do it for the love, and I'm going to just pace myself at a comfortable, healthy rate. I'm not going to force myself to make any videos that I don't want to make or want to make or whatever. I'm going to edit in my own time, and I'm going to be taking the channel hopefully to a higher, more interesting level, and hopefully on more of a consistent level as well. So without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go, but just like I said, this video is to say that I'm back, and hopefully we're going to spend some interesting time together.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.